Country 102, today's hit country.
Good news, everyone.
Guess what? This just in.
He's scoured the headlines and has watched hours of TV
His material is fresh and hip.
just to bring you the Mick Daily News.
Texas had our very own royal wedding this past weekend. Miranda Lambert and Blake Shelton got married on Saturday. Now, Miranda wore her mother's wedding dress. They had 550 guests, including Reba McEntire, who sang a few songs, CeeLo Green, Katherine Heigl, Josh Kelly, Kelly Clarkson, Martina McBride, and Dirk Bentley, just to name a few. After the wedding, Blake said, "I wanted to be married to Miranda the day I proposed. Finally, it's official." And Miranda added, "I'm married to my best friend. Looking forward to a lifetime of laughter." Good luck, you two. And finally, here is a lesson in karma for you. A Seattle man was hit by a public bus last Thursday after stealing a tip jar from a local downtown restaurant. Now, at the moment, no one was actually chasing him. The bus driver attempted to stop but could not avoid hitting the suspect. So remember, kids, crime doesn't pay, and look both ways before you cross the street.
Mick Mornings with Mick Willie. We'll be right back on the new Cat Country 102.
We, the sponsors, invite you to listen to